Computers are supposed to make our life easier, but this is not always the case. Some computers are very slow at starting. However, you can solve this problem by making a few clicks. To solve this problem, you need to use control panel. If control panel is not available on your desktop, you need to use the search functionality. Look for it on the bottom, Windows bottom left, near the Windows Start button. In the search functionality, type control. In the information that pops up, look for control panel. Click on control panel. Under the control panel information that comes up, look for hardware and sound. Click on hardware and sound. In the information that pops up, look for power options. Click on power options. And the information that pops up, look on the left for choose what the power buttons do. Click on choose what the power buttons do. We are interested to turn on fast startup. In situations like this where it's not clickable, it's not enabled, we need to look for something called change settings that are currently unavailable. So look for change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on that. Once you click on change settings that are currently unavailable, then the turn on fast startup should be clickable and enabled. So click in that box or tick the box to turn it on or to enable it. Once you've done that, save the changes by clicking on save changes. So just click on save changes, and that should solve the problem. Your computer should now start faster. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so.